If you want to see how I make this lovely brown stew fish, stick around. The recipe is coming up.
Hi, I'm Charmed. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am currently a program administrator, and on my channel I will be posting videos about food, beauty, lifestyle, inspiration, and many more every single Tuesday and Friday. You will be inspired one video at a time. Be sure to subscribe for my new content and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss my uploads. Remember to comment down below to introduce yourself. I'm looking forward to having you on this journey with me. Meet you on the inside. Thanks for being a part of the Inspiring Charm family.
Welcome back guys. So what I'll be doing for you today is some parrotfish. I've gone ahead, wash and season my parrotfish. If you want to know how I've done this, please check out the iCard above. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on my pot on the fire. Ensure that your pot is very dry when you're adding the oil to prevent it from splattering all over your face. Please cover the bottom of your pot with enough oil, just enough. Then you're gonna add some garlic pegs and pepper to take away the fish scent. So while my pot is heating up, I am going to go ahead and get a Ziploc bag and add a cup of flour to it, and this is what I'm going to use to coat my fish to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. You can go ahead and add some salt to this if you like, or you can just leave it as is. So now I'm going to place the pieces of fish in there, shake the bag together to coat the fish. Try not to use a lot of flour in your Ziploc bag, as the flour cannot be used for anything else as it is now contaminated. You can, however, use some of the flour in your sauce when you're making your gravy for the fish. As you can see, my oil is almost ready, so I can fry it until these are brown. Or you can go ahead and add your fish. My oil is ready because they're frying, so I'm gonna be adding my fish now. Give them enough space between each piece and allow it to be fried until each side is golden brown. So today I'm going to be having with my brown stew fish some green banana. So what I've done here is to add a tablespoon of salt to some water, and I'm going to allow that to come to a boil. Now I'm going to be washing my bananas for you. So I get some lukewarm water, put my bananas in, and I'm going to scrub the skin of the bananas just to take off all the impurities from the bananas, because I do cook my bananas in their skin. It is easier that way, very easy. Watch and see. So now I am going to change the water and remove the stem of the banana, and you can also take off the stickers that are on it. So you take off both the top and the bottom of the banana. Then you're going to take you're going to gore it down the side so that it will be easily cooked, and when you're ready you can remove it from the skin. My bananas are now ready for the pot. So it's now time to check on my fish, and I'm going to be flip them onto the other side. Ensure that you do it carefully because you do not want to burn yourself or to allow them to touch or stick onto each other. So do that and allow the other side to fry properly or until golden brown. To preserve the color of my bananas, I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of vegetable oil to my water. This will allow your bananas to come out looking white and beautiful when they're done. Remember to allow your water to come to a boil before adding your bananas. My bananas are now in, so what I'm going to be doing now is to prepare a plate to take my fish from the pan.
Then go ahead and prepare some seasonings. So these are all the seasonings that I'll be using in my brown stew fish today. As you can see, I have here scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, escallion, onion, garlic, red and green peppers, carrots, and okras. So the fish is ready. I'm now going to take them out from the pot. Be careful, you don't want to burn yourself. Now guys, onto the sauce and what makes this meal a brown stew. So I'm going to take it out and I'm going to take out some of the oil.
So you want to let this amount of oil remain, and to this I'm going to be adding my garlic and onion and allow that to caramelize a bit and take up all those little goodness from the pot bottom.
Now I'm going to go in with my bell peppers. Allow it to cook for a while. Go in and add your carrots. Give this a good top. So guys, I'm going to go in with about half cup of water. 1 cup of water. I'm going to go in now with half cup of ketchup. Or you can use tomato sauce. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm going in with half tablespoon of browning, not a lot. Half tablespoon of lemon juice. Little salt. I'm gonna go in with Maggi fish seasoning. Butter, 1 tablespoon. Mix this together. My green pepper, my okras, and thyme. Allow this to come to a boil. Now for the nice part of it, guys. I'm gonna put my fish in. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes.
So about 5 minutes has passed. So what I'm going in now and do is to flip my fish to ensure that the other side soak up some of that good gravy. You don't have to do this if you think you're not able to do it. You can also cover the pot and shake it so that the sauce will go over it as well.
My banana is ready as well. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you what I do to straighten it up. Look at that! Strip it off and it comes out really clean. Yep. So there you have it, my guys. My lovely brown stew fish served with green banana, cooked green banana, and a piece of pumpkin. Remember to like, share, leave a comment down below, tell your friends about my channel, and check in every Tuesday and Thursday for my new uploads. Bye! It's your girl, Inspiring.